One, this is page 58. Number 1. Milk the cows. Milk the cows. Feed the chickens. Feed the chickens. Pick vegetables. Pick vegetables. Collect eggs. Collect eggs. Hi, I'm Vicky. I always milk the cows in the morning. Their milk is great. My name is Luke. I always feed the chickens in the morning and in the evening. They're always hungry. Number 3, I'm Maria. I go to school at 8:30 in the morning. I usually pick vegetables after school. Hello, my name is Brian. I always collect eggs before school. I do my homework in the afternoon. Collect eggs, pick vegetables, feed the chickens, milk the cows. Bye.